Hi, today we seeing how to make a dog in Paint 3D. See this video to learn what is Paint 3D. So let's start.
Open Paint 3D and then insert this 3D model. To insert this 3D model, just go to 3D library and then search for dog and then scroll down to you find this 3D model. And then here, close the 3D library and go back to the brushes. And now here, let's click on select and then select the dog and minimize the size. And here, go to 3D shapes and here under 3D models, you can see a dog 3D model and let's insert him. So okay, here, can rotate him just like this. And then here, go to edit color, then here click on the eyedropper and select this color, light color. And then here, go to brushes, and then here with the spray can, remove the thickness, and then make it too small, of course, straight. And then here, click on the spray can again, and then here, first we need to select the color, and we need to select this white color right here. Here is it. And then here, just put it right over here. Okay, you cannot see it pretty well because it's the same color. But you can also try all of these so you can see what is the best. Because not the all of us, of course. Okay, Control Z. And then here, you could just try to copy the dog. Here in the legs, we need lots of shading. Let's zoom in here. And here, the crayon. Oops. Yeah, this black color. And here, oops, we need to decrease the thickness. Do Control Z. Decrease the thickness, Control Z. Okay, that is zoom out. This is pretty hard. That is page 3D, everybody. If you can do it, just show me. Just show it to me in the comments so I can make a video about it. Okay, here is it. Okay, here is it. You need to put it on all of the legs. Yes, click on select. Activate the 3D view. And then here, let's paste this. And then here, let's select again. Let's zoom out and try to zoom in on this leg. Okay, this is pretty hard. Here is it. Click on the pen. Okay, here I have made it. So here, let's see it. Let's deactivate the 3D view and zoom out. And let's put this dog right over here. Let's increase the size. And let's see these eyes. 3D eyeballs. I see. Okay, these are too hard to make, but you can try if you want. I will use this feature. I will just go to 3D shapes and then click on the sphere and then shape it as a circle. Then here I will put a font over there, 3D view, and then here try to copy and paste it. You can pause the video if you want. And here, that's pretty good. And then here, let's fix this. Of course, we're gonna fix it. Okay, let's put this right. This just like this. And then here, go to brushes, and then go to display can, the thickness. Let's see. Okay, let's decrease the thickness. Okay, here is it. And then here, let's go to stickers. And then here, let's try to make an eye by choosing one, a sticker, of course. Here, let's hover on the, then here, let's choose this dog nose. And then here, let's put it here, right over there. Then here, we need to we need to insert an eyeball, maybe like that. Let's put here an eyeball. Okay, and then here is stamp it right over there. Okay, here, let's fix this. This is pretty hard. And let's unactivate the 3D view. That looks pretty good. And here, at the bottom, let's go to brushes. Then spray can, some shadow, to Z, to Z, and just like that. I forgot the most important thing, which is to group them. You can see these are balls. Control Z, 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 Z. Oops, Control. Great. Then here, let's click on Control Z. And here, let's try to do this again. Okay, here is it. Brushes. And spray can. And let's start spray canning. I mean spraying. Just kidding. Of course, everybody knows that this 3D model right over here, which is in front your eyes, is made with Blender. And then here, let's do this. And that. And here, let's try to make these muscles. Try with a crayon. Oops. Oh, yeah, I have an idea. Let's change the opacity. Go to Z. And try to do this. Okay, that's good. And then here some shadow. with the spray can. And then here we are finished for this project about how to make our dog in Paint 3D.